Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the dome lights, also known as interior lights on Mercedes W205, that Mercedes C-Class, that generation W205 here. Before we start guys, please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, and even though the fuses are good, okay, we will explain what else can cause your dome interior lights not to work and how you may be able to reset it without buying any parts. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what we need to do here, we will explain where you can find the fuses relays for the dome lights, interior lights. Now there is very limited information about that, but before we start, quick advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. And what we guys need to do now here, by the way, we need to first go ahead and open the hood, and when you do that, now facing the engine guys on the right side, this is the driver's side, you have a fuse box under that trim cover here. You need to turn that knob 90 degrees counterclockwise. You have one in the back, lift it up and you see that white box with a black cover, that's the main engine fuse box. When you get to it, remove the black cover by removing the 2 bolts with Torx 2, open the cover and you'll get to a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here guys, we need to check just one fuse, then we need to go to 3 more fuse boxes and check more fuses, and we're talking about fuse 125, that one that you see right here. You will guys need to check. Next, you need to open the driver door. When you do that, on the side of the dash here, you can remove that cover, pry it open, and behind it you're going to find that fuse box here. Specifically here we need to guys check fuse 200 and fuse 201. These big fuses, those are for the front SAM control module that we will guys need to check. Then you need to check fuses for the rear SAM module, because most likely controls the interior dome lights as well. Open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. You have a fabric flap here that you need to lift up, and underneath you have a fuse box. Go ahead, open that fuse box, okay, and it will look like this one here. Specifically here we need to check fuse number 450 right here, and then we need to check fuse number 465 and 466, these 2 fuses. Now, if these fuses are not good, what you may need to check guys, if everything's good there, interior dome lights still do not work, okay, you may need to check the body control module fuses. They will be hidden. If you don't know where they're located, we'll have the video about that on the channel. Mercedes W205 body control module fuses, relays, check it out, it will talk about that. Sometimes if you had a bad light, you replaced it, okay? Or sometimes things will just short out for no reason, guys. Okay, you may need to clear codes, especially if you had a low battery. Weak battery can cause all kind of things to go wrong with your Mercedes, so you may need to reset the codes. You need a computer that can access every computer system in your Mercedes. You may have up to 40-50 different control modules, computer modules, so if you don't know which computer to use, we'll share the information in the description of the video below about scanners that we use that can do that. Access, do a full scan, see what codes you have, reset all the codes, and see if you have any codes left. It will tell you what causes that, because if you have a bad light, interior light, that can cause the function to be terminated, so things don't catch on fire or doesn't cause other electrical damages as well. But hopefully it will be easy fix for you as well, guys. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.